how to limit FPS in any game. So if you want to limit FPS in any game, then what you need to do is simply go with the search, and under search you need to search for nvidia control panel. Simply open up the nvidia, and here you will get this kind of interface. And here you just need to simply go with manage 3D settings. And here under manage 3D settings you will have two kind of options. So the first one is global settings and the other one is program settings. So here on the global settings tab, we will change all of these settings for every single application and game on your computer. But the program settings tab, you'll be able to change the same settings, but these settings will only apply to the specific games that we select. So once you're on your tab of your choice, now you want to scroll through these settings. You want to find where it says max frame rate and click on that setting. And here under the global settings, you just need to simply choose the max frame rate and you need to toggle it on. I recommend capping your FPS a couple of frames below your monitor's refresh rate. So if you've got a 60 Hz monitor refresh rate, I recommend you to set the FPS as 58. If you've got the 144 monitor, then you just need to simply go and set your FPS as 142. And once you've set, you just need to simply go with OK option. And once you go with OK, your FPS will be limited. So that's how you can limit FPS in any game. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.